NIC TV, I am Christine Forbes. The National Irrigation Commission Limited drain cleaning operation in the upper and lower morass of the Black River and other tributaries continues to be instrumental in mitigating severe flooding in Santa Cruz and surrounding communities. The NIC recently commissioned its Beacon East Solar Pump Station in Little Park, St. Elizabeth. The pump station is now able to self-generate 60% of the required energy to operate the pumping facility. Farmers Month has come to an end. Here are some of the activities of the National Irrigation Commission Limited in celebrating our food heroes. The NIC will participate in the return of the National 4-H Achievement Day on May 12, 2023 at the Denby Showgrounds in Clarendon. Be sure to visit for exhibition. And that's it for this week's episode of NIC TV. Be sure to join us next week for more information about the operations of the NIC. Remember to follow us on all our social media platforms at NIC Jamaica Ltd.